In this video, we're going to break down the fastest ways to hit $10,000 a month in 2026. I've been in the trenches with all these business models, and I'm gonna tell you straight up what works, what doesn't, and what's just complete garbage that's gonna waste your time. We're doing a full tier list from S tier down to F tier, and by the end of this, you're gonna know exactly where to focus your energy if you're serious about hitting 5 figures a month in 2026. I'm Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. And this is cash collected and profit, not revenue. Let's jump straight into S tier because this is where the real money's at. S tier is selling high-ticket consulting and services. Now this is hands down the fastest and most realistic path to $10,000 a month, and here's exactly why. When you're selling high-ticket offers, you're pricing anywhere from $1,000, it's the bare minimum, all the way to $10,000 and even more per client. The profit margins on this are absolutely insane. We're talking 80 to 98% profit margins because you're selling a result, information, not a physical product. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need inventory, you don't need a massive team. It's just you solving high-value problems for people who are willing to pay for the solution. Let's do the math. If you're charging $5,000 per client, you only need 2 clients a month to hit 10K. 2 clients, that's it. You don't need 1 million followers, you don't need to go viral, you don't need some massive ad budget. You just need to solve a painful problem for people or businesses and be willing to put in the reps and effort to actually get good enough at sales to close a handful of high-value clients every single month. It's really not that hard when you're following a proven sales script and talking to the right prospects. Whether you're doing fitness coaching, business consulting, marketing services in your industry, whatever it is, if you can solve a painful, expensive problem for a specific audience, you can hit 5 figures fast. Now let's move to A tier, and we have the agency model and done-for-you services. Running an agency, especially in niches like lead generation, paid ads, content creation, email marketing, this is still a really solid way to reach 10K a month fast. It's service-based, it's client-driven, and once you get the right systems in place, you can actually scale this with a small team or contractors. The main advantage here is recurring retainers. Once you prove yourself to a client and they're paying you $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 a month on retainer, that's predictable income you're getting paid every single month. You know what's coming in and coming out every month, and you can build around this stability. The downside, and I'm gonna be real with you, is fulfillment. It's labor heavy. You're trading time for money. You're dealing with client demands. You're managing expectations. You're doing the actual work of overseeing people who are doing the work. But here's the thing, if you can automate your delivery systems, if you can hire good contractors or eventually employees, this model transforms from a self-employed grind into a real business with actual leverage. You start making money while other people fulfill their work, and that's when things get interesting. The reason this is A tier and not S tier is because it takes longer to scale and there's more operational complexity. You need to build the right systems and you need to develop people management skills. But if you're willing to put in that work, this is absolutely a path to consistent 10K per month and beyond. It's just hard to scale past that. If you want to make more money, just go to high-ticket consulting. A lot of people have built 7-figure agencies starting from nothing just by getting really good at one service and delivering results for clients over and over again. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Moving into B tier, we've got the school or paid community model. Now listen, school communities and platforms like it are absolutely incredible if you already have a ton of attention. If you've already built a strong brand or you have a niche audience that actually really trusts you, you can turn that into $10,000 a month through a paid community or low-ticket group coaching model. The margins are stupidly high because you're basically getting paid recurring revenue every month from members, and the infrastructure is pretty simple. You don't need complicated tech, you don't need a huge team, you just need to show up, provide value, animate the community, and keep people engaged. The recurring revenue is predictable, which is awesome for cash flow planning. The biggest con of this business is that you'll need to find a way to deal with churn, meaning people canceling their subscriptions. If more people cancel than people stay or join, your monthly revenue won't be stable, and in fact, it can even go down. And you also need a big audience to get the customers in the first place. So this is why this is B tier and not higher. This model does not work for beginners with no audience. It just doesn't. This is what I call a multiplier model. It multiplies what you've already built. If you already have authority, you already have a big audience, you already have a lot of traffic, if you already have proof that people care about what you have to say, then yeah, a paid community is going to print money for you. But if you're starting from zero, if nobody knows who you are, if you have no email list, no social media following, no reputation in your space, it is nearly impossible to fill a school group or a monthly community from scratch in 2026. The market is too saturated with people who already have millions of followers. People only really join communities led by people they already know, like, and trust. So if you're a beginner, this is not your best move. Build the audience first, which can take years. Build the authority first, then leverage it with a paid community model. Now we're getting into C tier, and this is affiliate marketing and low-ticket digital products. Affiliate marketing still works, don't get me wrong, but it's slow, it's saturated, and it's heavily dependent on you building traffic and trust over time. You're promoting someone else's product and you're getting a small commission on each sale. To make 10K a month consistently with affiliate marketing, you need serious reach. You need thousands of people seeing your content every single day, and you need a high conversion rate. The same logic applies to low-ticket digital products, anything priced under $200. You need volume. If you're selling a $50 ebook, you need 200 sales a month to hit 10K. That's a lot of transactions, it's a lot of traffic, it's a lot of conversions. Now, these models can be good side income streams later once you've already built distribution, once you already have a big audience again, once you already have traffic coming in, for free, not with paid ads. But for beginners, these are not fast methods. Building that kind of audience and distribution takes months or even years of consistent content creation, SEO work, even running some paid ads here and there, audience building, all of that. So unless you already have an audience right now, or you have a ton of traffic, this is not the move if you're looking for quick cash flow in 2026. Now, this is true of any business model. Most people quit before they get results. Most people aren't really serious about making money online. They just want to make some quick buck right now or become a millionaire overnight. They're not people who are actually willing to do the fucking work, roll up their sleeves, fail for months, even years, and then make it big. Now, after having made thousands of dollars a day in profit myself, I don't get why you wouldn't create a product yourself and keep all of it in profit, minus the cost, of course, as opposed to choosing to do the hardest part, affiliate marketing, selling the product, and only keeping 5 to 30% of it. It's stupid. Now, we're dropping down to D tier. This is dropshipping and e-commerce. Now, I know, this is gonna get some people mad, but I have to say it. Dropshipping is still romanticized all over social media. But if you look at it closely, you'll realize the margins are complete garbage and the competition is absolutely brutal. You're fighting for scraps after you pay for ads, after you pay for product costs, after you deal with refunds, after you handle customer support, after dealing with shipping issues and delays. The people who are actually making real money in e-commerce are established brands with capital, with solid operations, with product differentiation, with actual intellectual property. They're not some beginners running TikTok ads for some trendy gadgets they found on AliExpress and are selling for like 5 times the price. The learning curve is steep, the cash flow is very volatile, you're constantly dealing with operational stress and headaches. It's genuinely one of the most difficult and riskiest ways to reach consistent 10K months in 2026. Can it be done? Sure, but it's gonna take way more time, way more money, and way more stress than almost any other path on this list. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And finally, we're at F tier, and this is really anything that relies on virality or luck. Trying to hit $10,000 a month of random viral content, of crypto flips, of trendy side hustles that you saw on TikTok. This is not business. This is gambling disguised as entrepreneurship. These paths make headlines, they don't make income. You see one person blow up, you see one person hit it big, and you think that's the norm. But you don't see the thousands of people who tried the same thing and failed. You don't see all the people who lost money. You don't see the reality behind the highlight reel. If you're actually serious about hitting 5 figures a month, you need a predictable system. You need something that trades skill and value for money. Not something that relies on algorithms or hype or getting lucky. Every single successful person I know personally who's making a real, consistent income got there by mastering a valuable skill and selling it at scale. Everything else is just noise. They learned how to solve expensive problems. They learned how to communicate value. They learned how to sell. They learned how to deliver results. And then they did it over and over again until they built a real business. That's the formula. It's not sexy. It's not gonna go viral, but it's what actually works. So if you're watching this and you're serious about building real income in 2026, focus on developing a high-value skill that solves real problems for real people. Learn how to sell that skill. Learn how to position yourself as the go-to person in your space. And then execute consistently. That's it. Everything else is a distraction. If you'd like me to personally help you to build a profitable online business and reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, check out the free training I made for you in the description below, and you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team so we can help you implement everything step by step, even with limited time and money. Be quick, we have very limited spots. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.